Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, May 20th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWM, triple Qs. And we do have an expiration today, third Friday of the month. That's something to definitely keep an eye on. Second, all of us, as you can see, have double distributions from the overnight. So this is yesterday from 4 to 8 p.m. and this is from this morning till now. So all of us have double distributions. Another thing that I have found interesting, I said this to the room last night, it seems to happen so many times. We have a wide point of control and we closed below it last night. So it was going to be an upside destination, and now we're looking to open above it where it becomes a downside destination, as it doesn't just get taken away until we trade there at some point. You see that a lot. Pretty interesting. So the bulls are attempting a lot of goals they have to do, right? A lot of work to do. Triple Qs trying to get acceptance into their middle distribution and then maybe attack the last set of single prints. Russell has only one distribution left. They're trying to get into their single prints from the 18th and get into the upper distribution. SPY and ES still have more work to do. We took back one small set of single prints. Next step is to take back H's from the 18th and get into the middle distribution where you have the afternoon rally high, and then try to attack those large set of single prints to have a chance to get into the upper distribution. Now again, I called SPY and ES balanced yesterday on the daily. So even if we take out yesterday's high, it's still balanced. For people who called the daily down, they will certainly be coming back into balance if you take out yesterday's high. Pre-market high is 394.66. Overnight low is 388.77. Again, I'll be recapping all three of these charts tonight from top down. As far as the game plan this morning, well, in the next 75 minutes, if you open below yesterday's high, you can certainly take a short against that and use either getting above that or the overnight high, which right now is 50 cents higher. So you can use between yesterday's high and the overnight high as you're out if you take a short, if we're to open below yesterday's high around the level we're trading at. In the next 75 minutes, if we open smack in the middle of value, no trade. If you open up where it looks like you're going to get acceptance back into I's range, you could probably take a short to go down to that wide point of control. And then also, if in the next 75 minutes we gap high, now things get a little more interesting. Question is, where are you going to gap higher? Would it be right in the middle of these H single prints? Would it be in the middle of the in the middle distribution? Things of that nature. If you do get above F's low on a gap, you could use basically K's high or yesterday's high, obviously, as you're out, because then two things. You would fill the gap and you'd get acceptance back into the lower distribution. So that would really be a good line in the sand there if we were to gap higher in the next 75 minutes, yesterday's high. You don't want to get acceptance back into yesterday's range or the lower distribution from the 18th. And on the flip side, if we gap really higher, anywhere near G's high and E's high, I would take a short the first time against the upper level of the middle distribution. And then just quickly on the chart, just going to show you the daily for now. So again, I call the daily down. You know, you can encompass all these days. I mean, literally, you can encompass 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9-day balance. Okay? Tuesday's the high. Tuesday's the high of it. Last Thursday's the low of it. If we take out yesterday's high, it's still balanced. Now, again, some people might have called this down. So if you do take out yesterday's high, they might just call a 3-day balance: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and today. But again, I'm just encompassing this whole thing. Thanks for the likes and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Good luck trading, and we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.